everyone, you are welcome back to Prospect Channel TV. Thank you for always coming out here. If you have not subscribed, please kindly do, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you once again. May God bless you all. It will shock you to know that AGF Abubakar Malami tells International Criminal Court that Nigeria believes nations must respect rule of law. The Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice Abubakar Malami San has assured the International Criminal Court in Netherlands that Nigeria firmly believes in the rule of law, vowing to uphold our obligations under the international law. Oh my God. People when not go reach heaven, they plenty well. People when not go see heaven gate. You see Malami talking about this, talking about Nigeria believing in rule of law. The same Malami who is disobeying the rule of law in his country, you are telling international community words. Wow, may God have mercy. Malami agreed on Monday that the rule of law remains a penance to jurors and equitable word. According to a statement made available to newsmen by his spokesperson, Dr. Omar Gwandu, speaking at the 21st session of the Assembly of State Parties to the Roman, the status of the International Criminal Court in Hague. The AGF said the federal government of Nigeria is committed to coordinate African continent on support, ratification, and domestication of the Rome Statute. The Rome Statute is the treaty upon which the International Criminal Court was established. He explained that the National Assembly, in collaboration with his office, are working towards domesticating the Rome Statute. There has been increased exchange of communications between the federal government of Nigeria and the OTP. And Nigeria has appointed a special point, especially designated to respond to all requests bordering on criminal law and prosecution issues. I wish to also reiterate that Nigeria will continue to demonstrate strong political will to hold perpetrators of terrorism and other crimes accountable, in line with other firm belief that protection of the fundamental rights of the victims of crimes against humanity are not negotiable, Malami said. While condemning the Assembly for measures taken to strengthen the court system, he advised that if we are indeed to rid the world of impunities, a strong and stable international criminal court system is not negotiable. The statement partly reads. Malami pointed out that the federal government has not reneged on its pledge to extend maximum cooperation to the Office of the Prosecutor, OTP, of the court in addressing the allegation of crime against humanity committed within its territory. According to Malami, the development has aided the seamless interaction between Nigeria, the analysts, and the international cooperation advisors of the OTP. He said, Nigeria is working on a memorandum of understanding with the Office of the Prosecutor with a view to addressing a gray areas of the alleged egregious crimes committed. Malami said Nigeria believes in the principle of complementarity and will continue to play a leading role in ensuring that perpetrators of crimes against humanity are prosecuted and victims get deserved justice. He said the government has put mechanisms in place to ensure the nation judiciary is effective and efficient in dispensing justice. Malami reiterated Nigeria's strong belief in the importance of the rule of law in guiding the actions of nation-states, especially holding them accountable for their decisions. Abubakar Malami has lied before the International Criminal Court. How can he say Nigeria believes nations must respect rule of law? Do they believe that? Do they practice that? You see one problem. People don't practice what they say. In Nigeria, here, on the 13th of October 2023, Court of Appeal in Abuja Division ruled against the federal government and ruled in the favor of the indigenous people of Biafra's leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, which they discharged him and acquitted him. They cleared him from all the crimes levied against him by the federal government of Nigeria. And in that effect, they said, no court in Nigeria can prosecute the IPOB leader, Nnamdi Kanu, nor try him. But this is the same AGF Malami that is saying all these sweet things about how Nigeria, respects the rule of law. The same him that says he will not agree with the rulings of the appeal court. So what can we now call that? The same he who knows that extraordinary rendition is a serious crime. He partaked on that. And he's talking about the rule of law. Honestly speaking, this is just hard to say. I'm dropping it here. Kindly share your thoughts below the comment section.